Did you know that 1 in every 3 women will be physically attacked? And that doesn't even count the unreported cases. Speaking from personal experience, I'm a survivor of domestic violence. When I tried to report it to the police, I was strongly discouraged from doing so and not having my voice heard. In some careers, like mine in healthcare, 89% of people have been violently attacked in the last 12 months. We're here to change that conversation. The truth is, the bad guys want you to feel helpless, to do nothing, and to rely on a faulty legal system. They're not afraid of the law. The only thing they fear is if you do something about it. So start training now. It doesn't take long, and you don't need to be in shape. It's not a workout. In fact, it's designed to work even if you're injured. Don't wait until it's too late. Don't let money stop you. Don't let time stop you. Each video is less than 10 minutes long. Don't let a traumatic past stop you. You can train online in private. You cannot change the things that have happened to you. You can't change the past. But training in self-defense can help you process and deal with that trauma. Don't let fear stop you. Every video is captioned. You can train in secret. Start now. Don't wait. Don't let them win. You can do this. Let's get to work.